Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wallward County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Janesville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail at 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Lima, Milton, East Troy, Williams Bay, Genoa City, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Hill Lake, Potter Lake, Howard Lake, Richmond, Springfield, and Lund Range. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.